Hey guys, good morning. So this is me with my new look. So tell me guys, how do I look? Do I look good? That really feels good. So yesterday I went to the salon and I got my haircut done, and this is called like uno, I don't know. Pero uno daw yung tawag ng gupit na to. So I asked the barber if pwede ba like paanuhan pa siya, like Shaolin cut. And the barber told me that no, because it's better to have this kind of haircut than doing the Shaolin kasi parang panot. And ito, madali lang tumubo. Like, it will grow fast and hindi nagsasara yung pores. So, dapat, for those people na nagbabalak pakalbo, just get your get haircut like this para di mag-close yung pores, diba? It's better to have like this. And sabi ng barber, good thing na pumunta or pinagupit ko kaagad